So hi guys, I saw a couple of comments online and I wanted to deal with the whole issue of network marketing and how that kind of puts some people off joining companies and organizations like Young Living with the essential oils. And I've had a couple of experiences with different organizations, and so I wanted to deal with it. And I think from a company perspective, for companies, they tend to do it because it's cheaper for them, and it's probably a cheap and very effective way of getting their product out there into the market and getting people to buy it. They don't have to buy space in the store. They don't have to buy huge amounts of product so they can stock the stores. They don't have to spend huge amounts of money on advertising. Instead, if we like the product, we go tell other people about it. Not deliberately, but just by word of mouth, right? If you bought something and you like it, you tend to tell other people about it. And that's the only way, really, I think this should work. Now, the problem with some network marketing organizations is they can get aggressive and they start treating you like you're a number, and they're kind of getting you in there so they can make money off you, and not so that you can experience the product. The problem with those teams in something like Young Living is they tend to rack through a bunch of people. It's very impersonal. You don't learn about the product. You don't know how to use it effectively, and eventually it dribbles out, I think, personally. And you end up with uneducated people trying to get people into a company that they don't really understand. Essential oils is one of those things that you really need to have a clue on how to use them correctly and effectively, otherwise people can have negative experiences with it and it just won't work. I originally joined Young Living underneath. I actually did my research, found the company, joined Young Living online. They automatically put me underneath somebody else who I did not know, and I went inactive for about 6 months, didn't order, and found some people at college who were in Young Living. That's Daniel and Sarah, and said, I'm not going to be a huge recruiter or anything crazy like that. If you guys are like that, I just want, you guys to get my override on the orders I'm making, because I'm making orders and you might as well get those overrides instead of somebody else getting them that I didn't know. And that's the reason I joined the team I joined in, and they have been courteous and been good at training us up. When I've got a question, they've always answered those questions, but I've never had a call from them saying you need a recruit. I never had a call saying you need to order. They've just helped me out with questions. Young Living actually has a system where you can do automatic ordering. It's called Essential Rewards. So not only do you get 24% off their oils if you join as a member, but you also get an additional 20. I think you build up to 20% off if you order on a regular basis through their automatic ordering system. So we do that. So they get, it's not really 20% off, it's like a 20% rebate, which I can then put on to future orders, and it works really well. And we have used that significantly in the past, especially for the expensive oils. For the general oils like lavender and lemon and orange and stuff like that to do the laundry with, we just do those on the straight order every month. Alright. That's enough for me. That's why I believe a lot of the companies do network marketing in the States, and I don't think anybody should be scared of it. I'm definitely not one of those people who wants to recruit tons of people and pressure them into recruiting teams and pressure them into ordering every month. I just want people that have what I have and has access to good quality oils that you can trust, have been verified and good quality. All right, take care. Bye.